Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about one of the most asked interview questions. So the question is, we need to filter out the employee names which are having salary greater than 50,000. So here I have a class called employee. In this class, I have two attributes. First one is name of type string and then salary of type double. Then I have created one parameterized constructor, right? Then I have the get methods for both my attributes, get name and get salary. So this is my class employee. Now what I want to do, I want to find out the employees which are having the salary greater than 50,000 with the help of stream APIs. So in my second class, the name of class is demo. Inside this class, I have one main method. And here I have created one list of type employee, the class which we have created, right? In this class, we have two attributes, name and salary. Now here I have created the list. Let's name the list as employees. So this is my list, and inside this list, I am adding the values. So what values I am adding? With the help of arrays.asList, I am creating the objects of employee class with the help of new keyword, new employee. Then I am passing the name and salary because in my constructor, I am expecting name and then salary. So in this way, I have created a list of employees. Currently, I have three employees named John, Alice, and Bob, and these are their salaries respectively. Now, what I want to do, I want to filter the employees which are having the salary greater than 50,000. So, in this case, Alice and Bob are the employees which are having the salary greater than 50,000. So, how I can do this? So, what I will do, I will create a new list. Okay, so let's create a new list. So, I will say a list which will again of type employee. Let's name the list here. So what name should we keep? We can keep any name here. So let's say reach employee. Okay, we will say here reach employee. And now what we want to do, we want to make use of stream APIs. So what I will do, this is the list which we are having here. So I will say here employees. Then I will say a dot. Then I will make use of stream. So this will convert our list to a stream, right? As we have covered all the basic concepts of the Java 8 in our Java 8 playlist, here we are just practicing the interview questions. Now here, after stream, I need to filter. So I will make use of filter method. And what this filter method is expecting? This method is expecting a predicate. And what is a predicate? A predicate is a predefined functional interface with one argument, right? And it will return true or false. So here I need to provide a condition. So what I will say here, I will say here E, which you can provide any name, then the lambda expression here, and then I will provide the body. So I will say E dot get salary because this is a method we want to check, and if this salary is greater than 50,000, okay. So this particular statement will filter out the list values which will be greater than 50,000. Okay, so basically it will return salary of each employee and then it will check if it's greater than 50,000 or not. And after that, I want to convert it to a list, right? So again, I will say a dot, then collect, and inside the collect, I need to say collectors dot to list. So basically, this particular part will be returning as a stream and we want to store it in a list. So that's why we are saying a dot collect collectors dot to list and semicolon to end it. Now we are having the updated list which is of each employee that will contain the name of employees which are greater than 50,000. Now we just need to print the reach employee list. So how to print the reach employee list with the help of for each method. So here I need to provide the name of list, then for each, and here you need to say system dot out, and with the help of method reference we will call this method println and run now. So I will run this demo.java. So see, we are getting here two outputs, but they are in the form of object. Basically, we are printing the employee object here. Why we are getting here two objects? Because we are seeing here the employees list which are having salary greater than 50,000. So Alice and Bob both are eligible, right? So here inside the employee class, I need to provide one toString method to print the output correctly. So I will right click here, go to the source, then you will say here generate toString. So I need for these two attributes name and salary. So basically this is how we are going to print our object. We will say here employee, then the actual name of employee, then we are going to say the salary. Now save it and run now. I will run the code again. So see, now we are getting the correct output. We are getting employee, then the name of employee Alice, and then his salary, again the name Bob, and then his salary. So we have filtered the employees which are having the salary greater than 50,000. Let's say I change the salary of Bob to 35,000. Now in this case, only Alice is eligible, right? So if I run this code again, so see, we are getting here only one employee which is having salary greater than 50,000.